We all know that eating food products that contain synthetic additives is not good for our health, especially to our skin. It has been said that if you want to take good care of your well-being, then what you put on your skin can be just as important as what you eat or drink. According to reports, the chemicals we apply to our skin are absorbed directly into our bodies. It is estimated that an average woman absorbs as much as 2 kilograms a year per person from cosmetics and toiletries alone. Cosmetics are also becoming madly high-tech, with NASA scientists developing creams and beauty labs dedicated to researching complex ingredients. These are all lovely for youth seekers, but sometimes one longs for the simple life, and it's high time to look for alternatives. And that's probably the reason why there are a lot of people that are shifting to organic skincare products. Organic skincare is an area of the organic movement, which has made real progress in recent times, and where previously, there were few options. But now, there is a fairly wide range of grooming products available out there. Organic skincare products are becoming increasingly popular, due to concerns about chemicals used in many products. Studies have found that up to 60% of creams or makeup applied can penetrate the skin and get into the bloodstream. Whether or not this causes health issues, it has alarmed some people, and unsurprisingly, the organic health and beauty market is growing rapidly, with sales increasing around 20% every year. In the last few years, organic beauty products have seen a tremendous growth in popularity and demand, since organic skincare products are the ideal option for people who cannot apply chemically enhanced products. One can find several standards of the word organic as related to skincare and health products. There are accredited certifying organizations trying to set regulations for what constitutes a 100% organic product. How does the consumer know what organic really means? Because we buy organic labeled skincare and health products, we automatically expect these goods to be 100% free of synthetic and artificial ingredients. But the tremendous growth witnessed by the organic sector in the recent years has also given enough chances to some traders to promote and sell non-organic products as organic. So, products marketed as organic can still consist of potentially hazardous artificial ingredients. Products labeled as 100% organic should not include synthetic ingredients at all, nor entail the use of artificial products during the manufacturing process. Thus, the amount of natural ingredients in cosmetics and other organic skincare products should still be scrutinized. So, before shopping for organic skincare products, do a bit of research work about the brand. Always go for brands that are committed to provide guaranteed and efficient skincare products, so that your skin gets only the best. If we were shocked to discover the dangers of many substances used in our everyday makeup, shampoos, and bath and shower products, why shouldn't we give ourselves and our Mother Earth a favor? Let's go organic! If you would like to find out more about organic natural skincare products, you may follow the links in the description below. And also don't forget to like and share this video.